Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create subscription products on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify App Store on your browser. In the search bar, search for Shopify subscription. Then, click on the one as shown on the screen. Hit the Install button to install this application. In the left panel, click on Subscription under the Apps tab. You'll find Import Texting Contracts, Add Subscription to Product Pages, Allow customers to manage subscriptions and customize notifications. Now, click on Add Subscription to Product Pages. Here, hit the Add Subscription widget button. You'll get your product image and its name on the right side. It'll show you the subscription widget on the left panel and a box arising from the option. Next, click on Got It and drag the subscription widget to drop it under the Details option. The subscription widget only shows on products that have a subscription plan attached to them. On the right side, you'll find the subscription widget. You can change the color and use other features as given here. To save it, click on the Save button in the top right corner. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.